The Arc Captain MIG welder stands out as one of the best welding machines available due to its impressive 6-in-1 functionality, catering to a wide range of welding needs. With a robust 200 amp output and dual voltage capability, 110V, 220V, this multi-process welding machine offers flexibility for both light and heavy-duty projects. It supports gas MIG, gasless flux core MIG, stick, lift TIG, spot welding, and even a spool gun option for aluminum welding, making it incredibly versatile. The machine's LED digital display provides an intuitive interface for easy setting adjustments, while the burn-back adjustment feature allows for precise control over the welding process, reducing the risk of wire sticking and improving overall weld quality. To ensure customer satisfaction, users should select the appropriate mode and settings for the specific welding task, taking into account the material type and thickness. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the torch, checking the wire feed system, and inspecting the power connections, will help maintain the welder's performance and durability. Additionally, using proper safety gear, including a welding helmet, gloves, and protective clothing, is crucial to prevent injuries from sparks, UV radiation, and hot metal. The Arc Captain MIG welder's combination of advanced features, versatility, and user-friendly design makes it an excellent choice for those looking for a comprehensive solution among the best welding machines. The Sunstack 140 amp MIG welder is a versatile and efficient 3-in-1 welding machine, making it a notable option among the best welding machines, available for both beginners and experienced welders. Operating on a 110V power source, this machine offers MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding capabilities, providing a wide range of applications for various welding tasks. The gasless flux core MIG functionality eliminates the need for external shielding gas, making it ideal for outdoor use and simplifying the setup process. The IGBT inverter technology ensures a stable arc and efficient energy use, while the synergic control feature allows for easy adjustment of welding parameters, ensuring optimal settings for different materials and thicknesses. The intelligent LCD display offers a clear and user-friendly interface, making it easy to monitor and adjust the machine's settings. To maximize customer satisfaction, users should familiarize themselves with the welder's different modes and adjust the settings according to the specific welding requirements. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the welding torch and checking the wire feed system, is essential for maintaining performance and extending the machine's lifespan. Safety precautions, including the use of a welding helmet, gloves, and protective clothing, are crucial to prevent injuries from sparks and UV radiation. The Sunstack 140 amp MIG welder's combination of versatility, user-friendly features, and reliable performance makes it an excellent choice for anyone seeking one of the best welding machines for a variety of projects. The Forney Easy Weld 180 amp stick welder is a robust and versatile machine, making it a standout choice among the best welding machines for both amateur and professional welders. This welder operates on dual voltage, 120V and 230V, offering flexibility and compatibility with various power sources. With an impressive 180 amp output, it handles a wide range of welding tasks, from light to medium heavy duty. The machine's inverter technology ensures efficient power usage and delivers a stable arc, resulting in clean and precise welds. Its user-friendly design includes easy-to-read controls and an adjustable amperage setting, allowing welders to fine-tune settings for different materials and thicknesses. To achieve the best results and ensure customer satisfaction, users should match the welder's settings to the specific requirements of their project, considering factors such as electrode type and material thickness. Regular maintenance, including cleaning the electrode holder and inspecting the connections, will help maintain the machine's performance and longevity. Additionally, safety should always be a priority. Using appropriate protective gear, such as a welding helmet, gloves, and protective clothing, is essential to safeguard against sparks and UV exposure. With its strong build, versatility, and ease of use, the Forney Easy Weld 180 amp stick welder is a reliable and efficient choice for a variety of welding applications, making it one of the best welding machines available. The Thulium 135A gasless flux core MIG welder is a versatile and powerful tool designed for a range of welding applications, making it a top contender among the best welding machines for hobbyists and professionals alike. This 3-in-1 welding machine supports MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding modes, providing flexibility for various projects. Operating on a 110V input, the welder delivers up to 135A of power, sufficient for light to moderate tasks. The IGBT DC inverter technology ensures efficient energy use and stable arc performance, while the LCD display offers clear and intuitive control over welding parameters. The gasless flux core functionality eliminates the need for shielding gas, making it convenient for outdoor use and reducing setup complexity. To ensure customer satisfaction, users should select the appropriate welding mode and settings for their specific material and thickness. Regular maintenance, such as checking the electrode holder, cleaning the nozzle, and inspecting the wire feed system, is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Safety precautions, including the use of a welding helmet, gloves, and protective clothing, are essential to protect against sparks and UV radiation. With its robust features and user-friendly design, the Thulium 135A is an excellent choice for those seeking one of the. The Lincoln Electric FC90 Flux Core Wire Feed Welder and Gun is an excellent choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts seeking an accessible and efficient welding solution. With a 90 amp output and 120 IV input, this inverter-powered welder offers reliable performance for small welding jobs, making it one of the all-best welding machines in its category. Its lightweight and compact design, coupled with a convenient portable shoulder strap, make it easy to transport and use in various locations. The machine's user-friendly features, such as the flux core wire feed mechanism, eliminate the need for shielding gas, simplifying the welding process and making it ideal for beginners. Additionally, the FC90's inverter technology provides a more stable arc and greater efficiency, resulting in cleaner welds. For customer satisfaction, it's important to consider a few factors. Ensure that the welder is used within its recommended capacity to avoid overheating and potential damage. Proper maintenance, such as regular cleaning of the nozzle and checking the wire feed system, will extend the life of the machine. Users should also invest in safety gear, including a welding helmet, gloves, and protective clothing, to ensure safe operation. With these considerations in mind, the Lincoln Electric FC90 stands out as a reliable and convenient option for those looking for the best welding machines for light to moderate tasks.